Welcome to Towers. Our iconic building is the tallest in Loughborough.
Towers is the only hall with catering 7 days a week.
If you play sports or have other commitments outside your courts, it's really good not to have to think about cooking, food shopping or cleaning.
Mealtimes are a great way to get to know everyone in Towers.
At lunchtimes, people can eat at any of the catered halls, so you can always meet up with friends from your course and societies. Dining halls are a really popular social hub.
The food is really good. There are always options that cater for everyone, such as people with allergies, vegetarians, or particular religious beliefs.
Our location is perfect, right next to the sports facilities like Powerbase, near to the Student Union, close to town and with lecture-rooms on the doorstep.
Wherever you are in Loughborough, you can see Towers, so it's easy to find your way home.
We have 21 floors with 4 lifts and stairs if you want the exercise.
The rooms are arranged in a circle around the central hub.
We have large rooms with plenty of storage space.
Towers people are close-knit compared to other halls because it's so easy to bump into people here.
There are plenty of green spaces around Towers for games and picnics.
Throughout the year, we have loads of different social events for you to get involved in.
Your whole committee is looking forward to welcoming you on your move-in day.